The platform we're going to look at today is Teneo, a free mining platform based on the DePIN model. Platform has begun a few months ago. While you're farming other DePIN project, you should probably farm this one at the same time. It has already surpassed 4 million active node users. It is not necessarily a good news since we will have to share Airdrop with other users, but it also demonstrates their hype. Most DePIN platforms farm points via bandwidth or GPU use. However, Teneo operates differently. It utilizes unused social media bandwidth. Users are rewarded with Teneo tokens. Instead of using Solana or similar chains, it runs on the Peaq network, a Layer 1 chain. Peaq is focused on DePIN and real-world assets. The official Peaq channels have even mentioned Teneo. Now let's see how to farm. Step 1. Download Google Chrome extension for Teneo. Step 2. Click on the installed extension. Click on Join Now and create account using referral code. Step 3. Once account created, connect with your account and connect also with your Google extension node. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. For every airdrop distribution updates, follow my Telegram. Also, I have a website where I gathered only airdrop projects backed by best VCs or most credible influencers. So don't hesitate to check it out. Links are in the description.